Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of changing your WhatsApp chat wallpaper on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Step 2. Click on the gear icon on the left side to open Settings. Step 3. Now navigate to the Personalization tab. Step 4. Look for the chat wallpaper option and click on it. Here, you have the freedom to choose your desired wallpaper to personalize your WhatsApp chat experience. You can select from a variety of preloaded wallpapers, or even use your own custom image. Browse through the available options and select the wallpaper that best suits your style and preference. You can preview each wallpaper before making your final choice. Once you've found the perfect wallpaper, simply click on it to set it as your chat background. Voila! Your WhatsApp chats now have a fresh and personalized look. Changing your chat wallpaper not only adds a touch of uniqueness to your conversations, but also helps in enhancing your overall messaging experience. That's it for this tutorial on how to change your WhatsApp chat wallpaper on your PC. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy chatting.